Hi guys, this is Jules. Since Papa is on board, me and Ate will be taking over his blog. So for context, what you see here is located at Eriberta Spring Resort. This happened at December 30, 2023 to celebrate my Ate's birthday. The spring water was so cold. It got to the point that it took so long for me and Enzo to get out of the water. Naara ang view sa pool guys, oh. In this video guys, nagwashing mig tangkal. Nara guys, giaswat sa akong mga kuya ang tangkal. Ako na guys! Ako na siyang giayog limpyo guys. Macho kayo si Kuya Tantan, guys. Guys, manay guys. Nabutang na dyan nila, guys. Sana all macho, guys. Nara, guys. Ang resulta, guys. Nindot na kayo ng taon, guys. Kani guys, kipanglimpyuhan ang mga baboy sa kanter.
One-on-one me.
Mama versus Papa guys, mag-basketball. 1 point si Mama guys. Murag mga wate guys.
Akong hair na mekaniko nakawait. Salukuyan. Adjustment. Adjustment sana pero meron pa. Clearance. Ito yung mekaniko ko. Nakawait. Kasi mahina na yung gas ng baterya. Kaya pala maluwag yung alternator bill. Kaya hindi siya gaano na isusupply ng recharge. Ayan guys. Full adjustment pa kami. Full adjustment. Off siya. Okay na?